ActivInspire flip charts, all objects, like images, shapes, text, and annotations, are placed on layers. You can move objects from one layer to another, allowing you to create interactive lessons and activities. The best way to visualize layering is to view your object browser. If your browsers are not already visible, you can go to View and select Browsers. Choose your object browser, third from the left. This shows every object on your flip chart page and allows you to edit those layers. The top layer contains objects made by the connector, pen, highlighter, and magic ink tools. As I highlight the group leaders' names, watch what happens. New objects begin to appear. The middle layer consists of text, images, and shapes. You can drag and reposition objects within the same layer or to a different layer. I will select this shape and drag it on top of this text box. Notice now the shape is on top of the text, concealing it. The bottom layer is initially empty, but you can move objects to it. The background layer consists of the background page color, background image, or grid. Objects placed on this background layer will become locked on the background and will appear below all other objects and layers. For instance, maybe I'd like to select one of the shapes that represents the tables in my classroom. And then I can drag that shape to the background layer. This would allow me to create a seating chart template I could use multiple times. You can also rename objects by double-clicking them. You can also change the position of objects within the same layer by selecting an object, like this text, and using the Bring Forward or Send Backward buttons on the marquee handle.